My name's Susan Hunter. I am from the Norfolk, Virginia area, and I'm the managing partner of the Security 101 office in Hampton Roads. When we first got started, it was hard to get IT to the table. Now I do really feel like we have an easier time getting everybody to talk together. Because if IT's not involved, we're going to run into a problem. In the 8 years I've been here, we've solved so many problems that people have. I'm so excited about the next 8 or 10 or 25 years moving forward and partnering with Genetec, because as an innovative company, I just know that we may not be able to envision it, but when we see it, we're going to be really excited.